Hi everyone, welcome back again to another housing vlog. To ensure you don't miss any new videos when we upload them, we encourage those who are new to our channel to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Videos are regularly posted on our channel, so stay subscribed. So in today's video, I have this beautiful 3 BHK flat for sale in Bengaluru. Overall, the apartment is spread across 1650 square feet of built up area and has got 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and 3 balconies. The apartment is located on the 5th floor and is facing east direction. The age of the society is under 5 years and the property is under freehold ownership. This is one of those homes where luxury comes with affordability. This comfortable home has got good ventilation and an abundance of natural light throughout the house. The flat is located in a gated community and the features are intended to make your life enjoyable, exciting and opulent. It is one of the best residential community in the location with all the modern facilities for a hassle-free life. The very best educational institutes, transportation hub, shopping centers and hospitals, major commercial complexes are hardly distance from the project site. So folks, this lovely 3 BHK semi-furnished flat is located towards Tumkur Road and the asking price for this flat is 1 crore 41 lakhs, slightly negotiable. That's it guys from this video. Hope you all found it interesting and useful. Meet you all in the next one.